All right, this week continues to have a lot of headlines, and the trade war headlines are the latest, and those are helping our short positions right now. Adaptive moving average is short right here, 29.10.25. Took some heat, came close to getting stopped out up here at 29.30. Massive chop in the markets. Let's look at the 24-hour chart. ES Night Trader was stopped out. Market went up overnight, sold off on some headline news, rallied back, sold off on more tariff headline news, was stopped out down here. Good news is the stock index portfolio is up so far today after going through that drawdown that we talked about yesterday. QS3 was stopped out. Night Trader was stopped out. Those are long strategies. Gap Fill Master was profitable. The closed trades for today are minus 2,000. The open position is up about 3,600 on adaptive moving average. You can see that here. On adaptive moving average, it took some chop the last 5 trades, and now it's in the short trade. And you see gap continuation. This is the strategy that's in the members area, and it's for 7 trading systems for the S&P futures, and it's part of the portfolio. Nice trade here, almost up 2K. Looking at cover 3, maybe signaling a trade soon. This is the type of market environment on a Friday when you get this kind of headline news that you could get a limit down and flash crash type of price action after all this propping. All the buyers have been coming in and buying these dips in anticipation of a Fed rate cut, and it hasn't happened yet, and so all that could be undone into the close on Friday, and you could get a massive move down. So it's good to be short. Also, anything could also happen on the upside. The Fed could actually come in and cut rates today based on whatever headline news. The administration has sent out headline news about the trade war, and don't know if that's there to force the Fed's hand to cutting rates and trying to get them to cut rates today based on what was just said about the trade war, not doing encouraging American businesses not to do business with China. So here we go, gap continuation up 2K on this trade. So extremely nice strategy. This does not have a profit target, so it'll hold it until 2:30, and this graph does not include the most recent open trade. It won't show up on this closed trade equity curve until the trade ends. And so if it closed right now, you'd add about 2K to that, and it would be up here in the 9K range since January 23rd, looking back the last 7 months. So the market's finally given up the bid, this strong bid that's been going on based on the recent headlines, and I anticipate that it will stay in this current state until another news event happens. And I don't anticipate another news event to happen, another headline about interest rates to occur today. It could, though, and anything could happen to cause this to reverse. But sticking with the systems, up 3,700 as we speak on these trades, and down minus 2,000 on the closed trade. This is the stock index portfolio, and the one that we've been talking about for a while. And so nice trade so far today.